Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 14th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir down 38 cents, 4.09%, closed at 890. Post-market down by 2 cents to come up with a nice 888. Yes, we are starting to break this first support right here that we have in the upward channel. We have broken the first one. We still have one to go. We are really caving under this downward resistance. What can I say? On the 1 hour chart, wow, first hour of the day was really bad. We came down quite far and then survived a little bit, then inched a little bit lower. But yeah, not super impressive, I have to say. Let's look at our indicators on the daily chart. So we have last stochastic over 60. Unless we maintain support, we could be having a little bit of another downtrend for Palantir, I'm sad to say. And we also have MACD that crossed over bearish, actually. So let me try to select this. This needs a little bit of work. Trading view, people. I like trading view, it's the best yet, but it's not perfect. RSI, and we also have lost the DMI. Wow, look at this. So the trend seems to be changing. We could be bouncing on support. But so far within that downward channel, we are definitely into this downtrend, and I could do something like this. Yeah, this is the current downtrend that we are in. This is where we are in. This might not last a long time, but that's what it is right there. Yeah, so a little bit disappointing for Palantir. Let's go look at the VIX a little bit. So the VIX, the VIX did not give us a nice indication. As I said, we need to make a decision because the VIX needs to either follow this downward resistance and continue going downward, or follow this upward support and continue going upwards. But now the VIX found a way to remain undecided. It came down a little bit lower here, but it's still within these two support and resistance lines. So we are still going to have to wait to see what is going to happen with that. Looking at the Dow Jones, okay, so we are starting coming down right here. Green day, and this is looking like a little bit of a pullback after the move. So maybe this is what's happening right now. S&P, we have this move too, and I'm just happy to have put this there because this might be what is going on. So we might be going sideways for S&P 500. Nasdaq still doing pretty good. So yes, we went outside of this upward support right here. We have stochastic, a very weak stochastic, but it's there. So let's hope that things move up for Nasdaq a little bit. But Dow Jones needs a little bit more work. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.